Dr. Cho, the adjustment of his life right now. So even chiropractors get adjusted. And actually most chiropractors move like butter because everything is already used to it. On your side. And as soon as I'm done with him, he's going to adjust me. Okay, the other side. Fix up. I'm going to release too much. You just back today or something?